my lovelies, today I will be doing a skincare routine using this beautiful trio from OKOKO Cosmetics. First of all, the packaging is just so amazing and it's recyclable, which I love. So I'm starting off with 𝘂𝘂𝘂𝘂, which is a soothing cream cleanser mask. It has wonderful ingredients and it comes with this beautiful spoon to scoop the products. Look at that gorgeous texture. You can leave it on for 5 to 45 minutes. So if you want it as a quick cleanser, 5 minutes is good. If you want to leave on a little bit longer to work as a mask, don't forget the mask. In 10 minutes, let's remove the mask. So here's my skin right after I removed the soothing cream cleanser and mask. It feels so nice and plump and fresh, and it also brightened my skin. Next, we have antioxidant oil serum, which is formulated with 16 potent oils. And just press on to the skin. Look at that. I love how it left my skin looking so radiant. The last product is 𝘂𝘀𝗵 balm, which is a multi-purpose radiance balm. Look at that beautiful color. Melt the balm between my hands and just press on the skin as well to add that extra dewiness. As you can see, my skin looks so nice, beautiful, fresh, radiant, and dewy, and of course deeply moisturized, which I love. So I hope that you get to try this beautiful trio.